All right, so I'm here today with my guy Jerry. And all right, so I'm here today with my guy Jerry. I just told him, the more I teach him, the dumber I get. And what?
I'm Mike.
See, that's what I'm talking about. The more I teach you, the dumber I get. Yeah. Now he gets so old he don't even remember his own name. Jeez, Louise, it's cheesy. Oh my God, I tell you. All right, so what we're doing here today, guys, is that we got these, I ordered up some new inserts off of eBay. They was rather pricey. They're like $24 a piece, but where can you find them at? So,
are they factory?
Yeah, they probably 3D laser printed, you know what I mean? You know how they do it these days. But they look factory. So anyway, he's gonna show me how to get these done up. We had to, oh, that one.
You notice I'm doing them because he can't. So there's no showing him how it's to be done. He's had me do it.
The more I teach you, the dumber I get. Man, why you be hating so much? So anyway, guys, man, don't pay attention to him. Just watch what he do. Don't listen to what he say. But anyway, we're gonna get these and we're gonna put them into. These are the best ones that I found that I had. The chrome look halfway decent on them, so that's good. So $25 just for the inserts. So what you doing, Jerry? You gotta, don't just talk to me. Talk to all things Buick, man. The fans, the guys, the gals. Well, you know, what else is new? That's why you getting old by yourself here.
Mm-hmm. I'm putting tape on them to hold them in place.
All right.
And then I'm going to throw them across the parking lot and see if they hold up.
All right, guys. I don't have my camera stand here today, so I can't film the fight that's about to pursue. I tell you. So, all right, so he taped them up here, guys, I guess to hold them in place. Now I'm gonna see what he used here to get them, but these, they're pretty good. They a little pricey, but I couldn't find nothing else, so no cheaper, so I had to go with these. Oh, a Ford, the camera's gonna explode, it's gonna explode. Oh, it's heating up. Oh no, oh my God. Oh, the calamity. Oh my God. The horror.
Did the camera break yet?
Found on road dead, I tell you. So what we working with here? What you got?
Stuff.
Oh, that's a two-part, huh?
It's about $50 for this tube.
And what is that for? Like putting panels on and stuff?
Putting certain panels on.
What?
Certain glues for certain panels.
Okay, well, what kind of panels are these?
Panel on better than it's supposed to be held on. But this is impact that you use on structural parts of cars on the impact.
Wow, I didn't even know. See, look, I'm way behind on the times. I know they made that.
No, it's like I tell you, you just...
When they start... The more I teach them guys, the dumber I get. I'm almost retarded now. So how long they...
No, it's called mentally challenged. Don't put down the nice people.
Oh my God! So when they come out with that stuff?
Late 80s.
Oh, it's been around. Okay. Yeah. So now you just clean and make sure you got a good surface to hold on to there, huh?
Yeah, you gotta overspray on it a little bit, so it's always good to put scratches and stuff. Adds like little fingers to hold stuff.
In your case, paws, right? That's the wrong one here.
Why do you want that one? It's all broke up. This
Oh,
one
it's
has
only-
all the fingers
Oh,
on it.
okay, whatever. It's gonna take too long to sand that.
No. I forgot.
What he's doing here, guys, is just cleaning that surface. You have to love how he's got his grinder set up. You gotta love the pad that it's on.
It's not a grinder.
What is it then?
Polish wheel.
Polish wheel.
See? See how shiny and smooth it is?
No.
If you would take it on a piece of metal, regular metal, it polishes it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, where's the other ones? I forgot on this style, it's best to have bare metal.
Yeah, that's why I didn't paint the backside.
Also, you could use certain sealers, like etch primers, on certain two-part adhesives. But bare metal is always the best.
So you think you need to go around the outside just a little bit, give it something to hold on to on the sides, or no?
No, because it's going to ooze over and lock it in anyways.
Now you notice he has gloves on. Make sure he don't get oil from his fingers onto his work area.
I don't care about the work. I just worry about my fingers.
Tell the
Come on,
truth.
laugh.
Tell the truth, Jerry. You have oil on your fingers, guys, that
Yeah.
you want to protect. He's a jerk, man. You just trying to teach him, and he just won't let nobody. Oh my God.
With any chemicals, you should protect your fingers to start with, your hands, eyes.
That's true, but also you want to make sure there's no grease on the areas that you are
Grease,
gluing.
oils from your hands, any contaminants.
So he's releasing a little bit, make sure it's mixed. Something I don't do all the time. I'm stingy.
Yes, you gotta do it right.
All right, release it now. So I just painted the outside of them to give them a little protection. So by that being a heavy panel bond, it should really hold these caps into place here.
Forever.
Forever? Forever, ever?
Never ever.
So how long do you gotta let these set up?
Hour.
Really?
Yep.
By the time I take you to lunch and come back, I can put them on the car before my road trip home, huh?
No, that's when they set up. They're not cured for 24.
Oh my God, you're gonna make me wait.
Yep.
Why are you using that finger, Jerry?
'Cause I don't like you.
Binky, remember? Family friendly channel until I get around this guy. All right, well, anything else? Sir Lancelot?
No, that's it for today. Tomorrow we're talking Ford.
The regularest cars around. All right, guys, so
First on race day.
I will let you know if I put these on in the next, 5 minutes after I put them on, I see them passing me rolling down the street. So
Just in case we got some glue on it. Once it dries, it ain't coming off.
so you want to clean everything up before you
You have about an hour for setup.
impact resistant structural adhesive. Never heard of that before. $60 minutes, 8 hours, 24. Okay. Alrighty. You like these videos?
You can read? Oh.
I can read reading, I just can't read writing that well.
Oh. That's right, you didn't finish high school.
Guys, this is what I have to deal with, I'm telling you. The more I teach them,
Smarter I get.
the dumber I get. I think I'm almost retarded now. Oh boy, we used to go to the bars with this guy, and he'd be the odd couple. When I take him to a black club, he would stand right up under me and be scared to move. Then he'd find out he know half the people in there. Then I couldn't keep up with him.
I knew more people than we did.
All right. Alright guys, so hey, got those center caps on there. They holding up good. So the 77, guys, I need to go on and put this thing up for sale. But I got a few minor things I need to do, like try to see why the interior lights don't work. They cut off, then they'll pop back on, so I took the fuse out, so that means the door locks and nothing don't work till I get that figured out, because I think they on the same fuse. But she pretty much almost ready. Alright guys, those center caps went on there pretty good, so I'm good with that. Alright guys, hey, if you like these videos, you know, subscribe to my channel, get my numbers up, and like and share these videos, man. Alright, you have a good day.